How to add SKU in Shopify. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to show you guys everything step by step. So just keep on watching and let's just get started. Now I'm over here in my Shopify store, as you guys can see. And in order to check out and add SKU, you need to go to your products. Now I am simply going to select this product over here. And what I need to do is scroll down, and then I can already here see the SKU, the stock keeping unit. Now, what I first of all want to do is track the quantity. So we of course need to track the quantity first, and then we need to add the actual stock keeping unit. So let's just say that is 3,000 over here. Then this is the SKU that is currently getting stocked at multiple locations. Now, if you have multiple locations, then it will be selected over here. Now, if you have, for example, one location, you can also select that over here. Now, if you, for example, have the inventory, for example, you do drop shipping, you have an AliExpress or QJ drop shipping over here, then you can also select those here as well in order to track the quantity from there. And now in order to actually edit the SKU of specific variants, what you can do is click on them. So here I have XS, and when I click on it, here I also have the stock keeping unit. So currently, since I had I started at 3,000, it automatically just went from 3,000 to 3,001 to 3,4. But you can change it to wherever you really would like to. So keep that in mind that if you have variants, it actually does look a little bit different and you have to go to inventory over here. You can also just go to inventory over here on the left where you can see every single bit of inventory in your store. Now, in order to edit the SKU, you simply just have to click on one of these, and then you will also get to this same menu where you can edit the SKU. So that is pretty much it. That is how to add SKU in Shopify.